How to hide online status in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide online status in WhatsApp. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the drop down menu, simply tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on privacy. And now here, inside the privacy, you simply have to tap on the option labeled as last seen and online. And now here in this section, under who can see when I'm online, simply select same as last seen. And now set last seen to one of these. Now you can either select to nobody or you can simply select to my contacts accept. And here, if your last seen was nobody, then your online status will be hidden. And that's it. That's how you can hide your online status in WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.